So let's have a look how we put our cumulative frequency into a graph situation. So if we have a look, if you remember the frequency histogram, basically it's a column graph. And remember the few things we have to have with our graphs, like we have to have titles. So whatever our title would be, class test marks in this case, we should label our axes. And with a histogram, we start one half of a column away from the vertical axis. That's what our histogram should look like. So we've got 3 scores of 3, 3 scores of 4, 4 scores of 5, and so on. So we did those last year. So frequency polygon as well. So that was the same idea. It's basically a line graph, but we call it a frequency polygon here. And the graph here again has the title, has axes labeled, and the first non-zero dot is 1 unit from the vertical axis. So that's where the 3 scores the 3 again. So we start it here, and then it goes up there, and the dots joined by the straight lines, and we get this polygon in that regard. So you've seen those before. So put them together, that's what we're going to see. And now if we do it as a cumulative frequency histogram, so again we're going to put these together, except you're going to keep going up. Like you won't have a cumulative frequency one going down because our scores keep going up. So in the end we'll have 26 that means we've got 26 scores. 3 scores of 3, 3 scores of 4, because we go from 3 to 4 there. So the polygon is just joining at the end of each of the rectangles of the histogram. So you can see all those there, and it starts from the beginning of the first histogram there. We often call this an ogive as well. So cumulative frequency polygon often gets called a ogive, and just we get a cumulative frequency histogram. Okay, so there's the rules we need to do to draw them up. So when you do them, please make sure you follow those.